People in some Asian countries often take advantage of. End of the harvest. People often bring raw ducks to release copper, especially the laying ducks, after they're released into the fields. Number: the egg is very good and the egg is very good. After they are eaten, if they don't get drunk, they'll bathe and they'll come ashore like this. People often migrate. Ducks go to different places with boats that are very multi-layered and meet new fields they'll drop in. The ducks graze like this. They're usually very healthy and take advantage of that food source, yellow deer and grain, so their eggs are delicious. It's very popular with the people here. What it rains on. After they eat it all. Food in a field area. People put them on the boat and migrate to an area. There's more food. And when they get there, they'll drop out like this, and the ducks will be raised in a new field. The people who migrate. Ducks also have to eat. By each flock of ducks, and their meals are often very frugal. These are the eggs after the evening the ducks lay. The eggs are usually very clean and delicious. People will bring their eggs to the market. After the farmer's crops to the new growing season. The duck herder will bring the duck back. Our bell pond areas are like this, to graze and wait for the next year's crops. This is after they've been settled. People will harvest the eggs after waking up every night. Now the ducks will have 100% industrial bran. They will no longer eat snails and grain in the field. After they get drunk, they go back to the pond and swim and bathe. When they're hungry, they should automatically eat bran like this. and wait for the next year's harvest, and they get back to the people, migratory blanket as previous seasons.